really reviewed or talked about men's products on this channel. I don't know, I mean, probably, you know, because I don't use those products myself. But sent to me for review is a beauty box or a grooming box, not beauty box, a grooming or men's care box. I think this will be a very good gift for our significant others, brothers, fathers, friends who are not only locked down, but also, you know, for those who are doing something for the community, you know, whether it is a care package for a bloke who's working in healthcare or, you know, a supermarket or, well, I think this would make a great care package right now, as well as, you know, a gift or a treat for somebody who's special. So this is the Mankind Hero Edit. For those who came in late, Mankind is the, well, a brother group of Look Fantastic, as it were. I mean, Mankind is owned by the Hut Group, the same parent company that owns Look Fantastic and Beauty Expert. So this is the men's care or men's grooming branch, and this box, this grooming box, I should stop calling it a beauty box actually. This box is called the Hero Edit, and it is still available for purchase. They ship worldwide. Very nice quality keepsake box. I want to hang on to the box actually, you know, because it is stuck with quality. So inside you have a product card. Now there are 6 full-sized men's care products inside this box, and the total worth is supposed to be more than £200. We'll calculate that at the end, and the cost of the box itself is just £50. So everything comes nicely wrapped in tissue. The same attention to detail and care that you find in the Look Fantastic Special Edition boxes, as well as the Beauty Expert collections. And off we go. So this is what the product card says. Say hello to the Mankind Hero Edit, boxed and brand new for 2020. Find 6 full-size male care favorites inside, curated for all your grooming needs. So, not, you know, exactly my department, but, you know, I enjoy unboxing things. So, hey, off we go. The first thing is the shave gel. So this is 100 mils, and it is an aloe vera shave gel fortified with aloe leaf juice, algae extract and glycerin. This lightweight shaving gel acts as a protective layer between your skin and razor. Suitable for all skin types, this non-foaming gel works to soften, hydrate and lift facial hair for a superior shaving experience with minimal resistance and irritation. Right, after cleansing, rub a small amount over damp face, covering all areas to be shaved, shave and rinse as usual. There's no razor that goes with it, for those who are interested in getting more razors. This is essential, I feel, at a time like this, you know, when a lot of us are under lockdown. So, you know, getting a shaving gel would be a good thing for a bloke. Now, I'm pretty sure that this is intended at, you know, blokes' beards or blokes' facial hair and not at my legs. So yeah, I'm not going to keep this one. Sorry, I'm not going to review any of these. Right, the next thing is Marvis. It is a brand that I've heard a lot about, you know. Marvis Whitening Mint Toothpaste, 75 mils of product, worth £7.50. Now, I know that this is a bloke's grooming box, but the thing is, I'm kind of running out of toothpaste here, and I'm quarantined, so I can't go out either. And, you know, it's very difficult to get a delivery slot for online orders right now, and I don't want to, you know, endanger those workers out, so I might actually hang on to this one. Regain a confident smile with the help of this luxury, refreshing toothpaste developed to prevent decay and keep teeth and gums as healthy as possible. The cool mint flavor freshens breath, while the sorbitol-based formula cleanses and whitens teeth without irritation. It doesn't actually say that this is for blokes alone. I think anybody can use it, and I certainly am going to use it, because I'm actually running out of toothpaste here. So, yeah, toothpaste, good idea. The next thing is from a brand called eCooking. Now, those of you familiar with this channel, those of you who are familiar with skincare brands, particularly those found on Look Fantastic, will be aware of eCooking. eCooking has a lovely acne serum, salicylic acid base, that actually works beautifully. Unfortunately, it contains hydrolyzed wheat protein, which means that it actually gave me hives while treating my acne. Now, this is eCooking's clay mask, retailing at £26, 100 mils. Let's see if it contains hydrolyzed wheat protein. No, good, it does not. I might keep this because, as you can see, this one's actually bleeding. And there are other breakouts as well. It's, you know, stress-induced. I'm probably not alone here in being rather stressed out and, kind of anxious about the situation. I'm probably not the only person who's staring gobsmacked at the increasing numbers and feeling very, very numb and having heaviness on their chest, or lump in their throat, as it were. So I'm probably not the only person who's really, really stressed out right now. I'm probably not the only person who's breaking out right now. So this one does not contain any wheat, and it contains retinyl palmitate, and it is a clay mask. And as far as I can see, there is no oil in here. And clay masks are good, particularly for ruptured acne, to draw out those, impurities and that sebum and that, that gunk. So I am actually going to hang on to this, and I will be using it. It doesn't say that it is for blokes, so hey, I can use it. Now this one is also fragrance free. What does it say? This clarifying face mask is infused with powerful ingredients to revitalize, refresh and hydrate your skin. Salicylic acid works as an anti-inflammatory to reduce redness and irritation. Vitamin E delivers a much-needed boost of moisture and balances oil levels, while antocticine protects against environmental aggressors, not an ingredient I'm familiar with, So apply a thin layer all over the face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on until the mask is completely dry and remove using warm water. Use 3 times a week for best results. I'm going to be hanging on to this, and we'll be using it on these horrid breakouts. So far, 3 products inside, 2 of which I can actually use. The next one is, very nice packaging, look at that. So this is from Argentin. I've heard a lot about this brand, but I haven't tried anything at all from these people. It is the Twin Enhancing Facial Oil. Oh, hang on, how do you get that out? Oh, right, it's sealed. Yeah, I don't want to break open the seal, because in case I decide to gift this, I shouldn't be opening it. So this one contains argan oil, Abyssinian seed oil, and kukui seed oil, and vitamin E. Just the 4 ingredients, absolutely nothing else. And this is 30 ml and retails at £82. Boasting impressive antioxidant properties, this facial oil is formulated to protect, hydrate, and plump out your skin. Used alone or to enhance the effects of your daily moisturizer, this luxury oil will manage your skin's sebum production, for a more balanced complexion that looks youthful and nourished. Wait, it's going to balance sebum. That means it's going to tackle breakouts. Right. I am a selfish cow. End of. And I'm incredibly stressed out, and I'm breaking out, and I'm in quarantine, and it's my birthday in 2 weeks. Beelzebub with it. That's a facial oil, and I'm keeping it. Can't really smell anything, but this is a gorgeous glass bottle here, and it doesn't say for men either, Yet nowhere does it say that this one is for blokes. So you know what, if you're not going to tell me that something is for blokes, I'm going to keep those things for myself, particularly if they're going to work on my skin. Right, the next product is a moisturizer, Dr. Botanicals Coco Noir Sensuous Night Repairing Moisturizer, 50 ml, retailing at £59.90. Designed to counteract daily signs of stress. Did they target this box at me? This Dr. Botanicals facial moisturizer is nourishing, hydrating, and will balance your skin all at once. Formulated with an abundance of beneficial ingredients that will rejuvenate your skin overnight when the body is most receptive to treatments. What are those ingredients? Hang on, let's find out. Coconut oil, right, I can't use that. Right, this one has to be gifted because coconut oil breaks me out badly. Sea buckthorn oil, that works for me, but sadly there is coconut oil. Tiara flower, rose flower oil, shea butter, right, shea butter breaks me out as well. This and the shaving cream are the only products so far that are going to get gifted. All of the others I will be keeping. It's a pity because this one claims to target stress, and I'm very, very stressed out right now. Dr. Botanicals is a brand that we've seen in Look Fantastic beauty boxes previously, And I have actually used their facial oil without problems. This is a moisturizer, something I haven't tried. But you know, because I'm already breaking out, I don't want to risk adding shea butter and coconut oil to the mix. You know, that is a bad idea for my skin right now. Although this is another product where it doesn't say that this one is for blokes. I think it's universal. So nice glass jar, unfortunately, will be gifted. Last product, you know, I quite enjoyed this box. There are a few things for me. I didn't expect that. I thought I'd have to gift the entire thing. Right, this is from Aveda. This is Aveda Men. Alright, here it says men. This is the only product where it says specifically that this is targeted at blokes. This is the Pure for Men's Grooming Clay, 75 mils, retailing at £23. Lightweight in formula and matte in finish. The styling clay, it's a styling clay for the hair, will keep you in control of your hair. A citrus, kunzir, and a range of essential oils such as spearmint, vetiver and lavender not only adds thickness to your hair but also leaves it smelling and feeling refreshed. A styling product for the hair. I actually use just the one styling product on my hair these days. Olaplex number 7 bonding oil and absolutely nothing else. And I don't need this kind of hold on my hair. My hair is frizzy. So this sort of thing would work for my kind of hair, obviously. Otherwise, I'd have kept that as well because in a nice packaging there. So 3 of these will get gifted. 3 of these I'm keeping. That's not bad at all. Now, let's find out the price breakdown. E-Cooking Clay Mask, £26. Dr. Botanicals Moisturizer, £59.90. The facial oil, £82. The toothpaste, £7.50. The shave gel, 12 quid. The Aveda Grooming Clay, 23 quid. So 23, 12, 7.50, 26, 59.90 and 82. Total of £210, 40 pence. And the box sells at £50. That is a massive savings of £160, 40 pence right there. Now, I personally will be using 3 of the products inside, and those are worth £82, £26 and £7.50 respectively. So I get more than the worth of the box right there. Although this was sent to me for review, I did not buy this box. So I am a fan of the curation of the products in this box, and I think, you know, this was well chosen. I think most blokes can use pretty much everything in here. And there's something for the ladies as well. I mean, there are a few universal products as well. And that facial oil sounds absolutely gorgeous, as does the Cooking Clay Mask. Cooking is a brand that works for my skin. So if you are looking for something special to gift a bloke, or, you know, putting together a care package for an essential worker at this time, or, you know, something for your significant other, or, you know, have a birthday coming up, you know, for a special someone in your life, or, you know, a significant other, a father, a brother, a cousin, neighbor, friend, chum, this is a very, very, very good choice for blokes. And you might also be able to nick a couple of things for yourself as well. I think, you know, it might be a good idea to buy the box and split up the contents and keep some for yourself, you know, put the rest in a nice fancy bag and then give the lot. 2 birds with 1 stone, eh? So those are my honest thoughts on the Mankind Hero edit. I think this was a really fun box. And in terms of skincare, there's a very nice selection. There's no cleanser, mind you, so the bloke in your life might still steal your cleanser, but there is definitely a moisturizer, a facial oil and a face mask. I don't know if you know any blokes who actually sit tight with face masks. I don't. So just as well that I keep this one for myself. Moisturizer, yes. Face mask, no. So what are your thoughts on this box? Will you be getting it for somebody special in your life, or, you know, to gift us a care package, or, you know, maybe nick a couple of the contents for yourself? Will you be doing that? What do you usually gift the man in your life? Is the man, or, you know, are the men in your life fans of grooming products, fans of self-care? If so, what are the products that they enjoy? I'd love to know. So, you know, this will give me ideas as well. So do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.